Good day, everyone. So, thank you for having me today. My name is Amabel Oasa, and I am here to talk about what is human action means. In next 5 minutes, I will help you understand the difference between a human action and a mere action carried by a human. So, let's start by defining what is mean or what we mean by a human action. A human action is also called a voluntary action, refers to an action that is consciously chosen by a person who can think rationally and has free will. It is an action that comes from a person thinking and decision making. In a simple term, a human action is something we choose to do on a purpose. So, on the other hand, a mere action carried out by a human is just a behavior or movement done by a person without conscious choices or a mere responsibility. In this action, are often distinctive, impulsive, or automatic actions to something, and they don't involve our full thinking ability or freedom. So, example of such action could be using, blinking, or even flexive movements like quickly moving our hand away from a hot surface. The main difference between these two types of action is the presence of freedom and rationality. A human action requires us to use our free will, which means we can choose between different options and make decisions based on our values, belief, and what we think is right. So it is through our freedom that we are morally responsible for our actions. So we might be wondering why this distinction matters. Understanding the difference between human action and mere action carried out by a person, a human, help us see the moral aspect of our actions. Human involves the moral responsibilities of individual because they are intentional and involve a choice. So they have consequences that can affect us and the people around us. By recognizing the moral aspect of our action, we became more accountable for the choices we make and how they impact our lives and the society. On the other hand, mere action carried out by a person being distinctive or reflexive don't involve moral responsibility in the same way. Although it can still have consequences, these actions are not a result of our conscious choices and decision-making processes. So, to conclude, it is important to differentiate between human action and mere action carried out by human. Human action are intentional actions that comes from our ability to think and make choices freely, while mere action carried out by a human are automatic or distinctive behaviors without conscious choices. So recognizing these differences between us, recognizing these different helped us understand the moral aspect of our actions and allow us to take responsibility for the choices we make. So thank you for listening and get blessed. Have a great day.